See, this is what I was talking about. It just cuts off for no reason. And then if I move the wire, it'll come back on. And I have the better cables too. I have these. And sometimes it still cuts off. It doesn't do it all the time. I don't know if I can demonstrate it completely, but you see, when I first got it, it didn't do that. Even if the wires seemed a little flimsy, even if they were flimsy, they wouldn't do that. For like a month or two, maybe even 3 months, not an inch of hesitation or shortaging like that. But about 2 or 3 months ago, I've been noticing sometimes it'll just cut off on its own without me doing nothing. And then I just have to move a couple of wires around and bang, it will come back on. Then it'll cut off again. And then if I move like a wire over here, it'll come back on. So sometimes the shortage jumps from wire to wire. I don't know what's wrong, but this is what I was talking about, Danny. You told me to upload a video. This is the best I can upload. I couldn't watch it 24 hours to see if it will cut off, but when I first started the video, it was already on playing, and then when I moved the wire, it came back on. So that's the best I can do. I really like the Nanosynth, and I want to keep it. And I was just hoping maybe, I don't know, with warranty, I could probably get another one. I hate to do that. I never really returned anything before. After all these years I've been doing business with you, this would be my first time ever returning anything. Anyways, if you can do it, that's fine. If not, not a really big deal, but it'll be nice to get a new one because I really like this, and I plan on keeping this for a long time. And I don't know. I think the internals are just kind of like not good. All right, this is my video, and I'll talk to you later. Okay, here it is with a different cable now. As you can see, it's less flimsy, the blue one. That has the more solid connection compared to this one, which is just round. I'm using the more solid one. In fact, all of them are solid. You see the square? It's kind of square, so it snugs in there a little bit better. Let me see if I can fit that back in there here. Okay, there we go. And so sometimes it will just cut off. And I couldn't, like I said, I can't leave the video on all the time, but you can see when I just move it. And sometimes I have to go in there and change a wire around. And before, it would never cut off like that. See, now the volume's low. You see how the volume's low now? And now it's back high again. It's not the wire, because I use this wire in another application, and no matter what wire I put here, it will do the same thing. So I believe it's underneath the board here that's probably shorting out. So, alright. Okay, well, here is where it cut off again. You see how I'm moving the wire? Now here's how I look at it. Because the parameters are so close together, you're gonna touch the wires as you pull them out and put another one in. You're bound to cross a wire. You know, if I take a wire out of here and go to the CV portion, it shouldn't be cutting off like that while I put another wire in. It should always be on. So as soon as I start removing a wire or pulling a wire in, that's when I get the shortage. And I don't think it's the wire at this point, because some of these wires are brand new. So anyways, that's my last demonstration, and I'll talk to you again.